Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Stephsgotit. And today I have got another unboxing. Really, it's an unbagging. There's one diamond painting item in here and there's one Halloween type of item in here. But we want to see the diamond painting, right? So thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope that you are ready to see another cool accessory to put in your diamond painting area to help keep things organized and looking party, right? So I'm going to take a second and get you focused on the package. Hold that thought. All right, so here we go. I hope that you are having an awesome day and that things are going pretty good for you this week. And thank you for taking the opportunity to join me today. So, the item that we don't care about that's in this package is this. It's liquid latex. As you may remember from my whipping chat, that I was supposed to do a witches dance with a couple of belly dancers for Zubu weekend. Well, it rained, so they've been rescheduled, and I won't be able to do it when they reschedule because I have a award Halloween party. So, boo-hoo. But this is what you care about, right? Ta-da! This is awesome. It's a diamond painting pen holder. Well, actually, it can hold brushes or pens or crayons or markers or anything that you have. So let's get the paper off. Crinkle alert. It's actually called a silicone sew store or tash and store. Okay. Oh, this is supposed to be red because I'm pretty sure I thought they said it was hot pink, but okay. Red is my favorite color, so no worries about the hot pink, which is not my favorite color. Oh, sorry there. Ooh, look at it. Ain't it pretty? So there you go. And I will give you some, it looks like, let's see. Yep, this just pops out into two pieces. So really you could just have that by itself, I suppose. Maybe if you want to wash it, if you have like your makeup brushes or something in it, you just store the brushes in there and you can wash it and put it back, clean it up and put it back in here, I guess. There you go. All right. I am going to get the information on how much it cost, and then I'm going to get all my diamond painting pens and place them in here so you get to see it in action. Hold that thought. All right, hun, so let's show you how this works. I've got a couple of different pens here. Let's slide this up here. We don't need the liquid latex. Slide that over here. So, first of all, we're going to put my very first diamond painting pen from Diamond Art Club that I converted into a duct tape flower pen. It's still one of my favorites. So we're going to put that in there. And then this is a single three-placer from somewhere. We're going to put that in one of these small flowers. This is my second chicken pen from KK's Diamond Painting Pens, which has a little cap on it. So we'll put her on this end, him on this end. And this little fella is my first chicken pen from KK's Unique Diamond Painting Pens. Let's put that one right here in the middle. There we go. And this is my first pen from Jim's Handmade Diamond Painting Pens on Etsy. The one I'm currently working with while I'm working on the Angel Diamond Painting from Victoria's Moon. Okay. And let's see. Ah, there is another KK's Unique Diamond Painting Pens. Let's put that one in here. My dragon. I love dragons. This is one that I'm going to convert Haven't done so yet, but let's stick it in there just for the heck of it. I'm also going to convert these to diamond painting pins eventually. So let's stick them in here just to see what it looks like. I hope that you all are having some fun stuff happening today. If not, get out and go make it happen, baby. Because sometimes that's the only way you get it, right? Because you have to go out and take it. That has a little cap on it, so we'll just stick that right there. And this ice cream cone pen, not really something that spoke to me, but I just got it because I wanted to convert something. It also has a little cap. Excuse me. Put that right there. And Big Mama, which I'm not sure is going to fit. This is a big juicy one. Also going to convert that. So let's see if we can stick that in the back. Let's move Chicken over here. And Jim's, well, right where he is. I don't want it to be top heavy. There we go. And then here's some of my single. This is a straightener, a 3-placer, and a, I don't know, what's a 4 or 5 placer. We'll put those in there as well. That's a single placer and a 3-placer. We don't need another single and 3. This is a single and 9 or 10. We'll put that in the little hole. And this is a single and, I don't know, 7 or 8 or something. We'll put all of those in the same little hole. As a matter of fact, you get the straight. No, we'll leave the straightener over here. So there you go. That is my diamond painting pen storage system now. That is pretty cool. I also, just for fun, to see other stuff that you can put in it, this is my friction pen. I have a bunch of these I use for quilting. Stick that in there just to show you other stuff can go in there. This is my slimline glue pen that I use when I do paper piecing or any piecing for quilting. Yep, there it goes right there. And this is my Choco roller that I use when I sew apparel or purses or wallets or whatever. Jim, let me move you right here and put the Choco right there, and voila. Look at that. It's all ready to go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 pins. Plus I have one more pin from another seller on Facebook that I have not opened. I hope it's beautiful. I am looking forward to that one. So we'll stick that one in there. And I have another special order coming from Jim's Handmade Pins. So we'll stick that in there. But mostly I've been ordering from KK's because you just have so much variety. But I do love these pens from Jim's as well, and we'll get a few more of those because I really do like those, the colors. But mostly most of them come from KK's because she has so many varieties. Oh my gosh. So there you go. And we'll just go ahead and stick this one in here just for fun. I'm going to stick it in the one that has all the same flower petals. There you go. Those are all right there together in the same flower petal. All right, hun. Oh, do you want the details? Duh. Sorry about that. Let's see. I didn't bring my diamond painting log in here with me today, so I'm going to pull up the phone where I have it waiting already. And I lied. I have something else waiting to tell you about. Let me get that right quick. In the meantime, let me take this opportunity to thank you so much for watching the channel and for joining us today, or me today. It's just me today. And let me remind you to click that subscribe button. It'll be over here somewhere up there, as well as clicking the little notification bell so you can be notified anytime that I upload a video, which is going to be Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and anything extra in the week for a little dessert or a little nightcap that might be put in as well. Again, this is a, here we go, and it says it looks like unhair, but it can't be. There's no such word. But it's on Amazon, and it's UUHAIRB. Uherbi silicone sew store organizers, cosmetic storage box, and desktop storage box for stash and store, and it is red. Again, I will put all of the information in the description bar below if you would like to order this. It comes in 6 various colors. It was $7.99 for Prime, so you know that's free shipping. It was ordered and shipped in a very timely manner. You saw, now packaging, I mean, it was in an envelope. There's nothing spectacular about that, but the item did arrive safely. There are no dents or scratches or imperfections so far that I've been able to see with it. It is, as you can see, very effective for what it was sold for. All of my pins are standing up. My chicken's kind of leaning, but that's because he's top heavy. He's a little thickum. And so they all fit nicely, and you can see that there are various shapes and various styles and heights, and they all still fit comfortably. That it's not tipping over, and even if you shake it, the only one leans over is this one, and because again he is really top heavy, and I love it too. Amazon, so you know I got shipping within 2 days, but I will put the information for you down below. Hit that subscribe button. And do me a favor and go ahead and like this video if you thought that this review was helpful for you and for your future purposes and organizing. If you thought it was not helpful for you, then you're always free to give it a thumbs down. You do you, boo, right? But I would appreciate a thumbs up. It helps the channel. I thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. It means a lot to me. And I love seeing new subscribers. And new subscribers, welcome to the channel. And remember, hun, if you are having a great day, help someone else have a great day. Love and shimmies.